that in our families,
oh my God, hari n'ababyeyi benshi bafise icyaha gikomeye cyane.
there are many parents who have sin
cyo gutandukanya abana babizi cyangwa batabizi.
to separate children whether they know it or not.
naho urambona muri Afurika
I would see,
iyo umubyeyi reka nabwira wa mugani, murazi umugani bavuga mu Kirundi, mu Kinyarwanda n'Igikongomani ngo umukene na nyina aramwanga.
a broke person, even their
Ni
mother
mwibaze
hates
iryo
them.
jambo ngo umukene na nyina aramwanga.
Think about that word.
Umwana wari mu nda amezi 9
You carried this baby for 9 months.
ukamubyara urushe,
You bore him, you were tired.
mugabo kubera ubukene
But because of the poverty,
ukamwanka.
you hate the child.
Munahure neza,
Understand me?
si ababyeyi bose bameze gutyo,
It's not all parents who are like that.
ariko basogokuru na basogokuruza bacu
But our great-grandparents,
ntibari bijuju kugira baca uwo mugani,
they were not crazy to say those words.
kuko ivyo bavuze byose
Because what they said,
nuko babibonye,
they saw,
nuko bari babizi.
they knew about it.
Ugasanga umuvyeyi afise umwana dogiteri mu bana 5 ari kumwe n'inshuti n'abagenzi, nta wundi avuga wa muhungu wanje dogiteri
You know, you have a parent that has 5 children and one of them is a doctor, and all the
mugabo wa
parents
muhungu
will
we
speak about
charpentier,
what they'll
wa
speak
muhungu we
about.
suderi,
You know, the other kids,
wa muhungu we mukonvoyeri cyangwa umushoferi,
the driver kid,
uyu mengo nta nuwamenya yuko abaho.
no one will know about him or her.
Dogiteri yari ngahe ejo,
The doctor was around yesterday,
kandi aho rero charpentier yamaze imisomene.
you know, and the
Mugabo
other one was
havuze
there.
uwaciye peut-être na nubwo yanicaye yaradepoje, numva docteur ari busy, yadepoje agapake k'ibiharage k'umuceri, nico gituma bamuvuze. Ariko charpentier we nta nibyo yifitiye mu rundi, ariko afise umutima mwiza n'urukundo, yaraje kwa mu muryango haguma isomene, ariko wewe umengo nta
You
nicyabaye.
know, the carpenter came, spent a week, no one spoke about him, but the doctor, just because they came for a day or brought something, that's all they talk about.
Erega wa muhungu wanje yagiye mu mahanga kwiga.
You know, my son, he's abroad at
Rero ni
school.
majoro ni koroneri. Ariko hari n'uwundi yagiye kwiga muri Kongo za Uvira, hari n'uwagiye kwiga iyo za Ibutare, hari n'uwagiye kwiga Kampala, mugabo n'umupeti joro ni bamuvuga mwe yagiye mu Burayi.
They don't speak about those studying locally. They say those who went abroad for school.
Mane tubabarire.
May God forgive us.
Abavyeyi b'uyu munsi Mane dufashe.
Parents
Duhindura
of this
amateka.
day, let God help us
Abana
to
bacu
change.
tubakunde
Let's love our children
kuri the same level.
equally.
N'ikigaba, ahubwo ikigaba nico nari nkwiye gukunda gusumba kugira ngo ndaciyegereze.
Let's love them equally.
Uzi ingene twari bigaba ariko Imana idusangiye twari.
You know how we were far, but God
Yaranavuze
still
ngo
loved
iheba
us.
intama 99 agakurikira imwe yatakaye.
He forgot the 99 and came to you looking for you.
Ariko yaretse 99 ntugire ngo iwe yazibagiwe.
He did not forget about
Oya
the
iwe yagiye kuzana
99.
ya yindi imwe kugira ngo isubize mu zindi.
He goes to search for the lost one to bring him back to be with the others. Amen.
Imana idufashe cyane.
May God help us.